Today I have a really easy broccoli and cheese soup recipe to share with you. I've written it all down in a blog post, which I'll leave a link to down below, so you can click that to pin, bookmark, save for whenever you want to make it. And also I'd appreciate if you leave a like, subscribe for more videos like this, and comments too. Let me know if you've given this recipe a try, what you think of it. I look forward to reading your comments. So I've got a whole head of broccoli over here that I'm going to chop into bite-sized pieces. And I've got half a cup of cheese, which we'll be using later. Might end up adding a bit more too. And I'm going to get on and make my soup and talk you through as I go. Okay, I've got butter melting in a big saucepan. I've chopped up some garlic and onion. Use as little or as much depending how many carbs you want included. And we're just going to get that nice and golden for a minute or two. It's all getting a little bit translucent. Perfect. I'm going to add in my broccoli. Now I'm just going to saute the broccoli, add a bit more butter, some salt, pepper, just get it nice and starting to soften up and golden a bit. I'm happy with how that's looking. I'm going to add on my liquid, starting with half a cup of milk. Just use your milk of choice. A half a cup of cream. Make it nice and creamy, and then we're just going to add water, stock, whichever liquid you like to top it up so everything's nice and covered. What I like to do is top it up with a bit of water, and then I'll add a couple of stock cubes to give it some more flavour. And then we're just going to let this simmer away for about 20 minutes until everything's cooked and just a beautiful, delicious soup. Now I'm really happy with how this is looking. This is just a perfect broccoli soup. You can just enjoy it just like that, but I want to add in some cheese. So I've got it simmering away there. Now you can either use a stick blender to blend it if you want it smooth. I quite like this texture. I'm quite happy with that. So I'm going to add in half a cup of cheese and let that melt in and stir it through. You can add half a cup. I'm going to add a half a cup now, let it melt in, and then just top it off with some cheese at the end. So you just really want it to bubble away just another minute or two, let that cheese melt and thicken up, and then we'll pour it into bowls. Now how absolutely delicious does this soup look? It's creamy and cheesy, and if you really want you can top it with a little bit more cheese. Just like that. So that is the video for today, showing you how to make this beautiful broccoli and cheese soup. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post with the step-by-step instructions of how to make this really easy soup. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!